Have you opened your textbook, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. See the question number 4 and read that one. My dear Catherine, can you read the question number 4?
Yes, sir.
Read it. Read it, please.
Write down all the subsets of the following sets.
Okay. Understood this question? Understood this question, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Here, some sets are given. We have to write subsets of the given sets. Okay. See that first Roman in this question number 4. Given set is singleton set A. This is read as singleton set A because only one element. Singleton means only one element is there in that set. Okay. Okay. This
Okay,
is
sir.
read as singleton set A. Singleton. Single means one. Yes or no? So only one element, one and only one element is there. That is why we read this set as singleton set. Okay. It is a singleton set A. Okay. Now we are going to write the subsets of this given set. Here I am writing the steps. In the first step, we write empty set. So we know that every empty set is a subset of every set. Subset of empty set is a subset of every set. So we wrote first and foremost subset is a empty set. And the next step, singleton sets. Singleton sets. Good afternoon, my dear Benjamin.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Respond to my questions, my dear Benjamin.
Yes, sir.
So here we have to take only one element. Suppose there are two elements. First one element we keep set brackets, and we take second element we keep set brackets. Okay. Only one element is there. We have taken one element. That's all. There are not more than one elements. Therefore, subsets of set singleton set A is equal to 5 comma singleton set A. That's all. Only these two elements, only these two sets are subsets of the given set. Understood this point, my dear children? See the next question. Read this question, my dear. Read this line, my dear Rexlin. Can you read this line?
Sir, set A, comma B.
Yes, given set is set A comma B. To write the subsets, of the given set, just to prepare a table like this. Just assume that this is the first step and this is the second step. Like this, third step. What is the subset of every set? Which set is a subset of every set? Do you remember? Where is Benjamin? He left the meeting. He left the meeting. Just he attended and left the meeting. What is the use of attending the meeting? Which set is a subset of every set, my dear Samuel? Can you tell me? Which set is a subset of every set?
Sir, empty, sir.
Yes, empty set. So first and foremost step is empty set. Next, what I said, singleton set. In the given set, how many elements are there? Tell me, my dear Samuel, how many elements are there in the given set?
So 1.
How many elements
Sir.
are there?
So 1.
1. Tell me what is that element?
Sir, A comma B.
That is
Set
only
A,
one
comma B.
element.
So 2.
2 elements. Are you sure? 2 elements or 1 element?
Sir, I think 1.
How many elements are there in this set? 1 element or 2 elements? Can you tell me, Ria?
Sir, 2 elements.
What are the 2 elements?
A and B.
Yes, first element is A and second element is B. Okay, my dear Samuel.
Yes, sir.
There are 2 elements in this set. Namely, first element is A and the second element is B. They were separated by comma. Have you observed here?
Yes, sir.
2 elements, they were separated. They were separated by using comma. First element is A and the second element is B. So we take first element. What is the first element here? Samuel, what is the first element?
Sir, yes.
A. So we write singleton set A. What is the second element here?
Set B, sir.
So singleton set B. Like this we write singleton sets by taking every element separately. By taking every element separately, we write sets. Okay. Understood this step?
Yes, sir.
Now we take 2 elements. Two elements like this. Two elements combination. So we take these 2 only. In the given set, there are only 2 elements. We take them as it is. Set A comma B. That's all. These 3 steps we had to follow. These 3 steps. Therefore, subsets of set A comma B. Now can you tell me, my dear Samuel, what are the subsets of set A comma B?
Sir, first the empty set, sir. Next,
Empty set.
A.
Empty set.
A.
Set A. Singleton
Set
set A.
A. Singleton set B, sir.
Singleton set B.
Set
A comma B.
sir.
Set A. These are all these sets. All these sets are subsets of the given set A comma B. Understood this point, my children? Next, given set. Tell me. Read, my dear Pierlin. Read this line. Read this line, my dear Pierlin.
Sir, given set 1, 2, 3.
Given set is set 1, 2, 3. We have to write subsets of this given set. What happened, my dear Benjamin? You are appearing and disappearing. What happened? Benjamin. Now tell me what is the first subset. Can you tell me, Pierre?
Sir, empty,
Yes, empty set.
which will be a null set, a null symbol set.
What, my dear?
It will be a null symbol.
Yes, null set or empty set. 5. Next step, see this example.
Singleton set, sir.
Singleton sets. In this step, we write singleton sets means we take each and every element separately. And we write them within the set brackets, within the braces. Okay. What is the first element in this set?
1, sir.
So, singleton set 1. Next, what is the second element?
2, sir.
So, singleton set 2. What is the third element?
3, sir.
So, like this, we write singleton sets. Understood this step, my dear children? Next, 2 element sets. From the given elements of a set, we take two elements. Let us take first and second element. Set 1, 2. Set 1, 2. Set 1, 2. Set 1, 3. Set 2, 3. Can you write any more sets with 2 elements? By choosing any 2 elements. Can you write any more sets?
No, sir.
No. These are the subsets of given set. We having 2 elements. Next, we write 3 element sets. Can you tell me 3 element sets by choosing 3 elements from the given set?
Sir, set 1, 2, 3.
Set 1, 2, 3. That's all. Okay. Now, completed, because we got a given set. Last and final set is a given set itself. First and foremost subset is empty set, and at most, okay ma, disappear, don't worry. Last and final subset of a given set is the given set itself. Now let us write subsets of given set. Now can you tell me subsets of given set? Pierlin?
Sir, null set, singleton set 1, singleton set 2, singleton set 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2,
Not only
3.
1, 2. You should read them as set 1, 2. Set brackets are written here.
Yes,
You should
sir.
remember.
Set 1, 2,
Yes.
set 1 comma 3, set 2 comma 3, and set 1 comma 2 comma 3.
Empty set, singleton set 1. Listen carefully, my dear children, how to read them. Singleton set 2, singleton set 3, set 1 comma 2, set 1 comma 3, set 2 comma 3, and finally set 1, 2, 3. These are the subsets of the given set. Understood this point, my dear children? Got this point? I will take one example. It is not given in the textbook. It was not given in the textbook. Now let us write the subsets. I have taken a set A is equal to A comma E comma I comma O comma U. These are the elements of the set. Now let us write the subsets of this set. What is the first and foremost subset of every set? Can you tell me, my dear Catherine? What is the first and foremost subset of every set?
Empty set.
Empty set. That is denoted by this symbol phi. Next step, in the second step, which sets should be written? Can you tell me, Catherine? In the second step, which subsets should be written?
Sir, singleton sets.
Singleton sets. We should write singleton sets in this step. Can you tell me singleton sets, my dear Catherine, in this line?
Sir,
Not A, singleton set A.
singleton set.
Singleton set E. Singleton set I. Singleton set O. And singleton set U. Like this, you should read them. Not only A, E, I, O, U. Don't read them like this. Okay. You should read these sets as singleton set A, singleton set E, singleton set I, singleton set O, singleton set U. Understood this point, my dear children? Now can you tell me in the third step which sets should be written? Can you tell me, my dear Rexilin? Which subsets should be written? Rexilin,
Sir,
we have written empty set. After
two
that,
element.
yes, two element sets. Two element. Now let us write. We have to choose any two elements like this. Two element combinations. So set A comma E, set A comma E. Next set A comma I. Like this, we have to choose the pair of elements A comma E, A comma I, set A comma U O. Next set A comma U. After that, we had to choose second element. With the second element combination, set E comma I, set E comma O, set E comma U. Next, with I element, with I combination, set I comma O, set I comma U. Next, fourth element O, set O comma U. And next one, that's all. These are the two element sets. These are all two element subsets of given set. Now, what should be written here? Next step. Can you tell me?
Three element set.
Yes, three element. Out of these five elements, we have to choose three elements. A, E, I, set A, E, I, set A, E, O, set A, E, U. With the first two elements combination, I wrote three elements. Set A, E, I, A, E, O, A, E, U. Next, first and third element combination. Set A, I, O, A, I, U. First and fourth element combination. Set A, O, U. Okay, my children. By the first element combination, I wrote these subsets. These are subsets. Next, I will write second element combination. E, I, O, set E, I, O, set E, I, O, set E, I, O, set E, I, U, set E, I, U. Okay. I have taken second and third element combination. Second and third element. Next, second and fourth element combination. E, O, U, set E, O, U. Next one. Next, I will take third one with the third element combination. I, O, U, set I, O, U. These are the three element subsets of the given set. Next step. Can you tell me what is the next step?
Subset of A, E, I, O, U.
Four elements. Yes or no? We have written three element subsets. Now we write four element. 4 elements sets. By choosing any 4 elements out of these 5, so I will take first 4 elements, first A, E, I, O, set A, E, I, O, set A, E, I, O, next set A, E, I, U. Can you tell me? Any more sets with the 4 elements? With the 4 elements, A, E, I, O, I have taken. Next A, E, I, U. Next E, I, O, U. E, I, O, U. Next A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Any more combinations? Can you tell me any more combinations? Out of these 5, we have to choose any 4 elements and we write them as sets. A, E, I, O. Next A, E, I, U.
Sir, AOUE.
A, I, O, U. Okay. Okay, I have written A, I, O, U. A, E, O, U. Okay, A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. Any more? Any more sets? Any more sets are there? Can you tell me how many subsets can be written for this set? Can you tell me, anyone? How many subsets can be written? Anyone? How many subsets can be written for this given set? Anybody? How many elements are there in this set? Yes, 5. So 2 power 5. Previously we had discussed at the time of power set. At the time of power set, we had discussed this point. 2 power 5 means total 32 subsets. Total 32 subsets. Now let us count here. 1. All of you count the subsets here, my dear children. Whether we are getting 32 subsets or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We have to get one more subset. That is nothing but 5 element sets. This is nothing but the given set itself. Set A, E, I, O, U. Have you got all the 32 subsets of the given set? Got it or not? Yes, my dear. Thank you, my dear Richard, for your response. Now come to the question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. My dear Disha Priya, can you read the question number 5? Question number 5. My dear Disha Priya. Okay, ma. Okay. My dear Percy. My dear Percy, can you read question number 5?
Sir, 5.
Question number 5 in the textbook.
Sir, empty set, sir.
How many elements has P of A? What does the notation P of A denote here? What does the notation P of A denote? Do you remember this point? Anyone? P of A. What does the notation P of A denote?
Power set, sir.
Yes, power set. What is meant by power set? What is meant by power set? What is meant by power set? Do you remember it or not?
Sir, the set of all these subset is called power set, sir.
Yes, very good, my dear Samuel. The set of all subsets, the set of all, or the collection of all subsets of a given set is called power set. Suppose A is a fine empty set. A is an empty set. Then what is P of A? How many elements will be there? How many elements will be there? For a finite set, for a empty set, how many subsets will be there? I am asking how many subsets? How many subsets? How many subsets will be there for an empty set? How many subsets? Only one. Very good, my dear Richard. Only one. So n of P of A. N of P of A denotes number of elements in the power set. That is only one. Okay. Now come to the question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. My dear Samuel, will you read question number 6?
Yes, sir. Write the following as intervals. Sir, I have to read the first also, sir.
Read the first one also.
Set of x such that x belongs to R, minus 4 lesser than x, less than or equal to 6.
Yes. Here some sets are given in the set builder form. Set of all x such that x belongs to R, comma, minus 4 less than x less than or equal to 6. This is a set builder form. How to write this set? In the interval form, how do you write this set in the interval form? What are the numbers given here? Minus 4, comma 6. Yes or no? Write them as it is minus 4, comma 6. Okay. Please remember these points, my dear children. In this set builder form, -4 less than x less than or equal to 6 is given. So we wrote -4 comma 6. Write the two numbers as it is. First, what is the first symbol here? Less than symbol. Yes or no? If there is a less than symbol in the first one, in the first place, let us consider this is the first place and this is the second place. Just for our convenience, let us consider this is the first place and this is the second place. If there is less than symbol, then we have to keep first open bracket. If there is less than or equal to symbol, we have to keep first closed bracket. Similarly, if there is a less than symbol in the second place, we have to keep here right side. After second number, we keep open bracket. If there is less than or equal to symbol is there, then we keep square bracket after second number. So here in the first place less than symbol is there, so before the first number we keep open bracket, small bracket. In the second place less than or equal to symbol is there, so after second number we keep square bracket. This is called interval form. This is called set builder form. Got this point? See second one. Who will read? Ria, my dear Ria, read this question.
Yes, sir. Set of all x such that x belongs to R, minus 12 lesser than x lesser than minus 10.
Can you tell me this is set in the interval form? In the interval form, can you tell me, my dear Ria?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Open bracket.
Open bracket.
Minus 12, comma minus 10.
After 10, open bracket or square
Open
bracket? Open bracket. Yes, very good. Understood this point, my dear children? Next one, Pierlin, read the third question. Read the third question, my dear Pierlin. Where is Pierlin? Gayab? Disappear? Okay. My dear Richard, read.
Yes, sir. Set
Next
of all
question.
x. Yes, sir. Set of all x such that x belongs to R, comma 0 less than or equal to x less than 7.
How do you write this set in the interval form? Can you tell me?
So square bracket,
Square bracket,
then 0, comma 7,
0, comma 7.
then open bracket.
Very good. Very good. My dear Richard, keep it up. My dear Percy, can you read this next question?
Sir?
My dear Percy, read the next question. Read the next question. My dear Percy,
Sir?
read the
Sir,
next
can you hear
question.
me? Sir, set of all x such that x belongs to R, comma 3 lesser than or equal to x lesser than or equal to 4.
Yes. Then how do you write this set in the interval form?
Sir, square bracket open 3, comma 4.
3, comma 4.
Yes, sir. And then square bracket close, sir.
Yes. After 4 also square brackets. Okay. Understood this question, my dear children? How to write a set in the interval form. Next question, in the reverse order. In the reverse order they have given. In the reverse order. Question number 7. Interval form is given. We have to write in the set builder form. We have to write it in the set builder form, just in the reverse order. My dear Catherine,
Yes, sir.
okay, it's okay, my dear Percy. Catherine, read that first question in the Roman number 7.
Yes, sir.
Read it.
Open bracket minus 3 comma 0 open bracket.
Is it correct pronunciation? Is it correct reading process? How do you read this interval? How do you read this interval, my dear Catherine?
Sir, semi-open bracket minus 3 comma 0.
No, not open bracket. Open interval. You should write. You should read it as open interval. We use here open brackets, but you should not read them as open brackets. Open interval. Open interval minus 3 comma 0. Okay, my dear Catherine.
Okay, sir.
This is open interval minus 3 comma 0. This is interval. This is a subset of real numbers. Now, how to write this interval in the set builder form? Can you tell me, my dear Catherine, in the set builder form? How do you write? Please observe the above question. Set of all x. Set of all x such that x belongs to R. Okay. Write these two numbers, and in between keep x. Write these two numbers, and in between keep x. Here, what is the first bracket here? Open bracket. Yes or no? Open bracket is given here. So in the first place we keep less than. What is the second bracket here? It is also open bracket. So in the second place we keep less than symbol. That's all. Set of all x such that x belongs to R, comma, minus 3 less than x less than 0. Understood this question, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Now read the second one. My dear Rexlin, can you read this one? Second one.
Closed interval 6, 12.
Very good, very good. He read perfectly. Rexlin read this interval perfectly. Closed interval 6, 12. Then how do you write this interval in the set builder form?
Sir, the set of all x such that x belongs to R,
This is common.
comma,
Okay. Comma.
yes, 6
6.
lesser than, sir, 6 lesser than or equal to x,
Very good. Less than or equal to x.
less than or equal to 12.
Yes, very good. Less than or equal to 12. That's all. That's all. Okay, my dear children, understood this one? And the last question. Who will read this one? Pierlin? Will you read this question, Pierlin?
Yes, sir. Open.
Left to open. Here see
Left
the left
open
side open
6,
bracket, right side is closed bracket. So left to open,
12 closed.
right closed, left
Right.
to open, right closed, interval 6 comma 12. Like this you should read it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Left closed, right to open, interval 6 comma 12. At last we read these two numbers 6 comma 12. Now can you write this set? Can you write this set in the set builder form?
Sir, x such that x belongs to all real numbers, where 6 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 12.
Very good. Very good, my dear Perlin. Understood this question, my dear children? How to write a set builder form in the form of an interval, and how to write interval form in the set builder form. Now the time is 4 past 18 minutes, my dear children. Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently. Maintain social distance, my dear children. And write the classwork notes. Watch the videos of our maths class regularly. And submit your work on time. Okay, my dear children. Now leave it. Thank you. Thank you, my dear Rexlin. Thank you.
Nika? Ah, yan, bisa.